What's up, y'all? We're gonna take apart this radio today. Yeah, this one was my childhood companion. This is what I listened to all my music on. My grandmother put these special Velcro things on the back so I could attach it to. I don't remember. It was like something in the car or something. I don't remember. Anyways, I kind of hate to see us go, but, it's old technology. It's a cassette tape player, and it doesn't really work anymore. And it's pretty much useless. Like, this is the antenna right here. Look at that. Okay, so, we're gonna have some fun with it. See, these 80s, 90s era radios, they still work, but yeah, they don't make cassette tapes anymore, and so, anyways, we're gonna take it apart and see what's inside. We're gonna start by taking off this door right here. How about that? Yeah, I'll recognize. We all probably recognize this. Yeah. Jack. Yeah. Anyway, so here we go. We're gonna start. We have to take out these screws on the back and one in this battery door. Let's get the batteries out. Those are dead. Yeah, forget about it. Okay, so here we go. Alrighty, so got all the screws out. Now it's a challenge to get this off. I need two hands here, so come on. So I'll just get this out of here. Come on. Dang, sound design really makes their stuff tough. I think this is the hardest electronic thing that I've ever taken apart. Second was that 50s, 60s era radio, also made by Sound Design. So things they must really want to keep people out. On. What do we got? Gotta push it. Come on. Yeah. There we go. So, yeah, it looked typical. We use the tape playing mechanism thing. See, unlike some of those other radios, all the stuff is attached to the back. And, anyways, there's the tuning mechanism. Let's see, volume. Look, you see, tape rails. There's a speaker, as y'all should probably figure it out. I don't want to cut this wire just yet, although I'm probably going to end up doing that. So, this is, hold on, what is this? Transistor some kind. This used to be with an antenna attached. I think this attached to the antenna. Anyways, so we're going to start by taking this off. Alright, so I got this tape play mechanism off. See, again, I need two hands. So my dad just took the wire cutters, so got to use what we got. Yeah, it doesn't matter. We're not putting this back together again. Well, we might put the shell back together, but this other stuff's gonna be scrapped. Didn't come off what they would have hoped. Alrighty guys, so we got the tape playing mechanism off. This is like the motor that turns it. You see it'll do this. It's got the usual wires, and then this. Now that's the tape thing right there. And the buttons, yeah, see. And the wire that controls it to the circuit board. And here, take this off and then we'll be done. Alrighty, so part of the tuning thing, the knobs. Ain't much to it. And then here's the speaker. Shell again, and anyways, so there you have it. And thanks for watching. My camera's my phone's about to run out of juice, so I'm gonna have to stop. But we taking it all apart for now, and that's it. So, except for the speaker, which we're not gonna bother with now. We might take that out later, though. Yeah, we will, because I'm planning on using it. Alright, but thanks.